Hello everyone and Happy New Year. I am so excited to start this new year off with a healthy recipe. Now listen, it is that time of year again where we've got to get focused and start eating better, shed some of that excess weight that we gained from the holidays. And so in the month of January, I'm really gonna focus in on some healthy recipes. Every Monday will be my Meatless Monday where I share delicious meatless recipes, and then I'll have some other healthy recipes throughout the month of January. So I hope that you join me so we can get healthy together. And if you are new to my channel, I do share delicious recipes every single Monday and Thursday. So make sure that you subscribe and you will want to hit that notification bell. Then you will know as soon as I upload a new video. And also give me a thumbs up and let me know that you like my video. The first recipe that I want to share with you was inspired after I ate at PF Chang's. Now, I am not sure if you've ever eaten there or not, but if you have, you probably know what I'm getting ready to say, and it is for their lettuce wraps. Now, these are absolutely amazing. They are delicious and healthy. I crave these. I love these. So let me show you everything that you will need to make them. You will need ground chicken, sliced mushrooms, yellow onion, green onion, ginger, garlic, hoisin, soy sauce, rice wine vinegar, sriracha, sesame oil, and then the lettuce of your choice. I like romaine. They actually use iceberg, but you can also use butter lettuce. So I'm just going to chop the mushrooms into small pieces, about a cup. If you do not like mushrooms, you can leave them out. Okay, so you want to get a ginger root, and you may get this and be like, how in the world do I use this? So I want to show you and give you a tip. I'm going to kind of cut it into some smaller pieces, and then you can take a vegetable peeler and just peel off this skin. And you can even use a knife and to take off the outer skin if that's easier for you. So this is what you will be left with after you get all of the skin off of your ginger. And then you can take your ginger, place into a small Ziploc bag, and these will keep in your freezer for months. To a large non-stick skillet, I'm just going to put in just about a teaspoon of the sesame seed oil. And then I'm going to place my ground chicken. I'm then going to add 3 cloves of garlic. I'm going to add my mushrooms, my chopped mushrooms. This is when you could also add your water chestnuts if you were going to use them. And then I'm going to take an onion, and I've got a microplane, and I'm actually going to mince this onion because I want it to be really, really fine. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to mince this onion until it's about half of this onion, or 2 to 3 tablespoons. And then I'm going to take my ginger, and I'm also going to mince this as well. And you want about a tablespoon of minced ginger. Then I'm going to add my rice wine vinegar, soy sauce, hoisin sauce, and then a squirt of sriracha, Then I'm just gonna let this cook until this liquid kind of evaporates out of the mixture here. Okay, as you can see, most of the liquid has cooked out, so this is ready to go. So we have to make the delicious sauce that goes with these lettuce wraps. So I have 1/4 cup of hot water into a bowl, and then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar, stirring it around so that the sugar will dissolve in the hot water. Then I have 1 tablespoon of rice wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and then 1 tablespoon of ketchup. And then just a little, like about 1/2 teaspoon of sesame oil. You just want to stir until all this is combined. Okay, so this could not be any easier. So let me show you how to put these lettuce wraps together. Okay, these lettuce wraps are absolutely delicious. They are so good and flavorful. And if you want some extra substance, you can serve it alongside rice, but I've got to give this a sample. Wow. I feel like I'm at PF Chang's. This is amazing. Well, thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you have a happy new year, and I will see you soon with more healthy recipes. Lettuce, I can't even say it. They're lettuce wraps. They are so good, so delicious, and healthy. So, I say so a lot. So. We don't have PF Chang's where I live, so if I see a PF Chang's, that is where I'm going and that is what I'm having. I wonder if these mushrooms are still good. And they look good. I think they're fine. And they're healthy. They're healthy.